Hello friends, today we will start with making of marigold flowers. I am using crepe papers for making marigold flowers and I am cutting long strip of that paper and folding it in the multiple folds and then cutting in the similar way it is showing on the video. Okay, so cut it from both the sides similarly and then open your strip. Then fold it in the particular fan like pattern the way I am showing right now on the screen. Once you have folded whole paper or whole strip in a similar fashion, you just have to twist it to give the round shape and fuller shape to your flower. Okay, this is the simplest flower I have started with. After that you have to fix that using the thread and needle, and once it is ready, if you want to keep those flowers as a separate flowers or you have to put some bouquet using this flower, then you can put the green tape at the bottom of your flower. If not, then you can just use this as is and you can make a garland using different colors of marigold flowers. So I have here yellow and orange color sample flowers created, and you can make a simple garland using this particular flowers. Thank you.